Best 50-inch TVs. Are you looking for the best 50-inch TVs? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 50-inch TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hisense U6HF Series 4K TV. The Hisense 50-inch class U6HF Series ULED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV, 50U6HF, delivers an immersive viewing experience with its 4K UHD resolution and ULED technology, offering vibrant colors and exceptional picture quality. With QLED technology, this TV produces a wider range of colors and a brighter picture, ensuring a more lifelike and vibrant display. The full-array local dimming enhances the contrast by adjusting brightness levels in different zones of the screen, delivering deeper blacks and brighter whites, perfect for watching movies and sports with dynamic visuals. Supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+, the U6HF provides enhanced color accuracy and greater detail in dark and bright scenes, making your favorite content look more realistic and vivid. With a 600 nit peak brightness, it ensures great visibility even in well-lit rooms, making it ideal for both day and night viewing. Equipped with HDMI 2.1, this TV supports Game Mode Plus and Variable Refresh Rate (VAR), ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay, especially for next-gen gaming consoles. The addition of Alexa compatibility lets you control the TV with your voice, whether you're adjusting the volume, changing channels, or launching apps. The Fire TV Smart platform offers easy access to a wide variety of streaming apps, including popular platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and more, allowing you to stream your favorite shows, movies, and sports events with ease. In summary, the Hisense 50U6HF is a feature-rich, 4K UHD smart TV that combines stunning visual quality, enhanced HDR performance, gaming capabilities, and smart features in an affordable package, making it a great choice for both casual viewing and gaming enthusiasts. Number 2. Vizio 50-inch MQX QLED 4K TV. The Vizio 50-inch Quantum Pro 4K Smart TV, M50QX-MK01, offers a premium viewing experience with its QLED technology, delivering vibrant colors and superior contrast. With 4K UHD resolution and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, this TV provides lifelike images, rich details, and enhanced brightness for both dark and bright scenes. The active full-array backlighting ensures better control over dimming zones, offering deeper blacks and brighter whites for a more immersive viewing experience. The 120 Hz refresh rate enhances the TV's motion clarity, while the ability to display 240 Hz at 1080p ensures smooth action and minimal motion blur, making it ideal for fast-paced sports and action-packed movies. For gamers, the TV offers advanced gaming features like low latency, game mode, and high refresh rates, providing an optimal setup for next-gen gaming consoles and PC gaming. With Wi-Fi 6E, the Vizio Quantum Pro offers faster and more stable connectivity, ensuring smooth streaming of 4K content without interruptions. Additionally, it supports Apple AirPlay and Chromecast built-in, allowing for easy screen mirroring and casting from your mobile devices. This smart TV runs on the Vizio SmartCast platform, providing access to popular streaming apps such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube, with voice control integration via Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for a seamless smart home experience. In summary, the Vizio 50-inch Quantum Pro offers a superior 4K HDR viewing experience with QLED technology, 120 Hz refresh rate, and gaming-friendly features. Its support for Wi-Fi 6E, Apple AirPlay, and Chromecast ensures seamless streaming, making it an excellent choice for home entertainment and gaming. Number 3. Sony Bravia 3 4K TV. The Sony 50-inch class 4K Ultra HD Bravia LED Smart TV, K50S30, offers an immersive viewing experience with 4K Ultra HD resolution and Dolby Vision HDR, delivering stunning, lifelike images with rich details and vibrant colors. The Dolby Vision HDR enhances contrast, brightness, and color accuracy, making content come alive with exceptional clarity, whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games. Powered by Google TV, this smart TV offers seamless access to a wide range of streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, and more. With its user-friendly interface, Google TV helps you discover content based on your preferences, making navigation simple and intuitive. The TV also integrates with Google Assistant, allowing voice commands for hands-free control of the TV and smart home devices. Designed with exclusive features for PlayStation 5, the Sony K50S30 enhances the gaming experience by optimizing visuals and performance for PS5 games. The TV supports HDMI 2.1, which ensures low latency and high refresh rates, making it perfect for next-gen gaming with smooth, responsive gameplay. In addition, the Bravia 3 LED technology delivers an enhanced picture with deep blacks and bright whites, providing excellent contrast and vivid color across various content. The easy-to-use remote includes voice search capabilities, making it easier than ever to find your favorite content, while the sleek, modern design of the TV fits seamlessly into any living space. In summary, the Sony 50-inch Bravia 4K Smart TV offers a superb viewing experience with Dolby Vision HDR, Google TV, and PlayStation 5 features for gaming. It combines premium picture quality, smart features, and gaming optimization to deliver a well-rounded entertainment solution. Number 4. Samsung QN90D Series QLED 4K TV. The Samsung 50-inch class Neo QLED 4K QN90D Series Smart TV is a high-performance display that combines mini LED technology with Neo Quantum HDR plus 4 stunning picture quality. The 4K resolution ensures sharp, detailed images, while the mini LED backlighting delivers deeper blacks and brighter highlights, enhancing contrast and clarity for a more immersive viewing experience. This smart TV features Dolby Atmos for immersive audio and object tracking Sound Plus, which creates a dynamic and lifelike sound experience by tracking on-screen action. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or gaming, the sound is precisely synced to the action, enhancing the overall experience. The motion accelerator technology minimizes motion blur, making it perfect for fast-paced content, such as sports and action scenes, ensuring smooth visuals with crisp details. The Real Depth Enhancer Pro further improves image quality by adding depth and texture to the picture, making scenes feel more realistic. This feature uses advanced processing to enhance the depth of field, creating a more lifelike viewing experience, whether you're watching a nature documentary or a dramatic film. Additionally, this TV is equipped with Alexa built-in, allowing for seamless voice control to manage your TV, smart home devices, and streaming apps. Whether you're adjusting volume, switching channels, or controlling compatible smart devices, you can do it all hands-free. In summary, the Samsung 50-inch Neo QLED QN90D series delivers outstanding 4K visuals, enhanced by mini LED technology, Neo Quantum HDR+, and Dolby Atmos sound. With features like Object Tracking Sound Plus, Motion Accelerator, and Real Depth Enhancer Pro, it provides an exceptional viewing experience for both entertainment and gaming. Alexa compatibility makes it a smart addition to any home. Number 5. TCL 50-inch S5 4K TV with Fire TV. The TCL 50-inch Class S5 UHD 4K LED Smart TV, 50S551F, 2024 model, delivers an impressive 4K UHD resolution with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Equipped with Dolby Vision and HDR Pro Plus, it enhances contrast and brightness, providing a more immersive viewing experience with better details in both bright and dark scenes. Whether watching movies, sports, or playing games, the picture quality is sharp, vibrant, and lifelike. This smart TV is powered by Fire TV, allowing easy access to a wide range of streaming services, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and more. The intuitive interface provides quick access to your favorite content, and with Alexa built-in, you can control your TV using voice commands. The Alexa voice remote makes it easy to adjust settings, change channels, or launch apps hands-free. For audio, the Dolby Atmos sound technology provides a cinematic audio experience with immersive, multidimensional sound. It enhances the overall entertainment experience, whether you're watching movies, shows, or gaming. The Apple AirPlay 2 compatibility allows you to wirelessly stream content directly from your Apple devices to the TV, making it easy to share photos, videos, or music with friends and family. Overall, the TCL 50-inch Class S5 UHD 4K Smart TV offers excellent picture and sound quality, with Dolby Vision, HDR Pro Plus, and Dolby Atmos. Its integration with Fire TV, Alexa, and Apple AirPlay 2 makes it a convenient, user-friendly addition to any home, providing easy access to streaming, voice control, and seamless connectivity with other devices.